That's
so
they said,
insane.
now they discovered recently on Holmium atoms, scientists have now written information, data onto an individual Holmium atom. And they discovered that we can store information. They can read write directly onto the surface of an actual atom.
Oh, my
Now,
God.
think about that for a second.
Oh, my God.
So they're saying that a human body can store 13.5 billion years or roughly of data, which is roughly around the time they believe the universe probably exists. So that myth of Adapa text could be accurate. The secrets of the universe is probably encoded into our body because we're just recycled atoms.
Right. And then as we evolve technologically and biologically, we develop a higher and higher ability to access that information.
Exactly. That's exactly what it is. The longer we go, the more we're able to tap into this information, tap into who we truly are. We'll begin to walk in our power, look inside, go to inner space, not outer space. We'll begin to tap into this. And they discovered now that junk DNA is no longer junk. They're taking the term junk off of it, that it really has function. It always had function. It was never junk. That's just a word to keep us programmed into thinking that we're junk.
Well, I think it was a way for them to explain something that they couldn't explain.
Right. But when you use the word junk,
It's a weird word
if you
to
understand
use for-
affirmations, you know, I would never call myself junk. So that's a weird way to do it. But now they're finding out that's and again, in the myth of Adapa, it's saying that we're going to tap into this. So I believe that all of our innate abilities that we used to have are going to start to come back over time, like accessing Earth's magnetic field with the magnetite crystals in our brains. We all have billions of magnetite crystals in our brains, and they put a guy into a laboratory, and they put a giant bar magnet and moved it around the room, and they put an EEG cap on him and a scanner, and they saw that they were orienting themselves to the magnetic field. So we still have the ability to navigate magnetic fields. We just don't even know it. We're unaware of it.
Well, we know it exists in animals.
Yeah. So we have it in our body as well. So all these things are going to begin to come back.
There's so little true understanding of like how birds migrate, like how they all know when to do it, what is calling them, what a very specific direction. Are they using landmarks on the ground? Are they just using some sort of a magnetic field? Are they just tuned in to where the North Pole is? And what are they doing?
Yeah.
How are they doing it?
Incredible.
What is the organ that's allowing them to do it?
Yeah.
Is that something that humans have, and it went away? Just like I can't remember anybody's phone number anymore.
Right.
I used to have so many phone numbers in my head.
We had to have them because we're 70s babies.
Yeah.
Oh, you may
I'm
be
a
60,
60s
not
baby.
60. Yeah, I'm 70s, 71. But what happened was, if you look at the tablets again, this is why I love these tablets, man. They talk about the fact that they had created this being. Not created from scratch, but genetically modified. They add their essence to it, is what they say, added our essence. So by adding the essence, you can see where all of a sudden maybe our ancestors were in tune with the magnetic field and were able to communicate psychopathically, maybe even had telekinesis and these other innate abilities, weren't technologically advanced, but maybe more spiritually advanced. And they tinkered with us and took away our memory, took away our ability to tap into that so we can focus solely on them.
Well, I guess if you were gonna, have you ever seen the movie Prometheus?
Oh, yeah.
When the alien dies and its DNA goes into the water.
Yeah.
If you were gonna play a real long game and seed life in the universe, and then you were gonna, especially with us, if you were gonna create something that's very sophisticated and encode inside of it enough information that they could figure out everything.
Yeah.
It's just gonna take time. It's like you have to earn this information, but it's in there.